Hey guys, just wanted to do a little quick video showing what my bike looks like after over 4,800 miles. This video is not going to do it justice, and people that know me are not going to believe it because they have never seen my bike like this. Of course, neither have I. I usually get lots of compliments on how good my bike looks, and it doesn't look so good right now. But what do you expect after 4,800 miles in 11 states? It looks completely nasty. Every single thing on it. All right, let's get this process started. I'm gonna start washing this bike, trying to clean it. I should be through in a couple days. So let's get started. All right, as you can see, the bike looks much better now. It's still not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. I went over the bike with the Liquid Performance Street Bike Wash, sprayed it down, hosed it off with the pressure washer, sprayed it down again, hosed it off again. It's looking a lot better now, but it's still not up to my standards. And I'm going to do an extra step that I typically don't do. I'm going to use the foam cannon, and I'm going to use the Majestic Solutions Super Foam. Okay, I have dried the bike off. It's clean. It's a lot better than it was, but it's still not up to par. So I'm gonna put the bike in the garage and do a little waxing on those things, get it back up to where she needs to be. But we're a lot better off than we were. Got a good start on it. Once I get the get a little wax on it, a little polish, clean it up, it'll look as good as ever.
Just got home. Want to do a little walk around quick of the bike. So 4,500 miles will do it to you. Don't worry about the heat in the winter or whatever. This is what it kept off of my hands. If you see that and you see that, you're gonna take a long ride. I mean, I didn't feel any more heat, and we were 100-degree days. I can't say it made a difference at all with the heat. But the fairings from Clockworks, windshield from Clockworks, and this is a short windshield. And I will tell you, I let that windshield down twice, and both times I got nailed with a bug in the face. At this point, I just go to the local hardware store, get a bottle of cleaner, and just immediately start cleaning the bike, wiping it down, take the lids off, start going through everything just to wash it off, and making sure that I've got the lid sealed up. We wound up just spraying it all down. Then I start wiping it down, get a little extra in there to be able to make sure that I've got this new little pressure sprayer on there running and working, and proceed to just spray it down a couple times. Get in there and start doing a little washing. Again, the difference between how we all wash our bikes, I literally only wash this bike with water, or any of my bikes with water and soap. Coming back from the beach or some long trip like this, I usually do a wax cleaner on the bike and clean it that way. But yeah, so this is the difference between how we all clean our bikes differently. Well, she's washed up. Not perfect by any means, but definitely better than she was. A few more will drying off. I got a thunderstorm coming in, so I think I'm going to have to call it quits. But most of the bugs are off. She's pretty shiny. Still a little wet. Blow it off a little bit. and put her away for a few days.